ngayon, mag-sorry sila na hindi nila binubuli ang mga organic Duterte supporter. Tigilan nila ang pang-aatake kay Harry Roque at wag na silang bumalik dito. Get the fuck out of us.
This is our, we will find a common ground kasi Duterte's dito. So lahat ng supporters, maging okay tayo lahat. Alam mo ba yan, meron ba ako sa late? Kaya sabi na nila kami, nakausap ako si Pao. Sabi niya,
ano na yan doon? Nagka-record ka no? Wala na tayo.
sa ulo it's important.
Kaya nga pinagbibintangan na naman. Sila naman ang maingay. Sila lang naman maingay sa online, sa social media.
Pwede ba, huwag na natin palaking.
Saan ka mag-secured pass? Sabihin mo, Jason, ano nangyari?
Hindi kasi siya yung nauna yung baklang retokada, siya yung naunang i-approach yung isa naming itong kasama naming babae. Ano siya? Magpapa-appin na lang kami sa mga turista. Excuse me, taga dito kami. Hindi, gusto niyang atakin itong kaibigan namin. Husband niya. Bakit siya magganyan-ganyan? Bakit agresibo siya?
Hindi. Post ng post.
Tigilan nila ang pagpo-post ng pang-aatake sa mga organic Duterte supporter. Pangalawa, tigilan nila ang pang-aatake kay Harry Roque. Pangatlo, wag nila kaming paririnigan at ipuputa-puta.
Excuse me, di ba si Maharlika ang maingay?
I'm not talking to you.
Di ba si Maharlika ang maingay?
Maharlika is not here.
Yes, she's not here. Siya man ang maingay.
Shut up! This is another story.
Oh, si Maharlika man ang maingay, kaya nagkagulo. Gano'n ka, baka may sasabihin niya ng ganyan.
Yan ang video na kayo, ha?
Pero bully agad.
Hindi mo ako pwedeng videoan, ayoko.
Ayoko din. Pero kung sila makabully sa akin kanina.
Sige.
If you were not doing anything, would we even call you out?
Relax na tayo first.
Gusto ko sa police talaga.
Sa police na tayo mag-ano.
Uncut ang video sa evidence. I know.
So, ano lang.
Kaya na nag-live ako.
Parang sa police.
Kaya gusto ko pag-police. Doon tayo magtalino-talino. Huwag mag-ano dito. Troublemaker.
Ako pa troublemaker, ha? Ako pa. Yeah, it's not gonna stop kung mag-continue pa yung ganyan.
Mag-continue talaga, ma'am.
Ako troublemaker, wala social media. Wala ako pinupost. Never nyo ako naririnig.
Kaya nga, hindi ka namin kilala.
Hindi nga, ano.
Mas lalong hindi kita kilala.
Pero nandito ka, nakipag-away sa akin, di ba?
Ang galing mo.
Talaga lang. Ganda ng lighting.
I don't want to fight anymore because this is not my fight. Just let them leave. Let
Sige
them
mo, leave na lang.
Let them leave.
Problema. Explain. Gang, wait. Padayon ako to, gang. Okay, when this all happened, we were here. Everyone was happy. Everyone nagkaon and everything. Ganito, ganyan. And then, you were even, nagstorya mo diri with Lucky Charm, di ba? Even your husband, nagstorya pa, ganyan. All of a sudden, we were so shocked dahil wala na po'y atake about that event na pertaining to you, hijacking, and you're very happy kasi nga, nag-Marcos resign kami. Wala ka pa
happy
dito.
Talaga ako kasi Marcos resign kayo kasi yun naman ang naratibo natin.
Okay.
Alvin, this is not my fault.
Okay.
The conversation is private and it was posted not without my consent.
Okay.
So that's very clear. That's the basis. So
Okay.
don't blame me. That's my own personal opinion. Yes, I would own to that personal opinion.
Okay.
And that's my entitlement.
Okay. So can I speak
Yes,
now?
yeah.
Okay. It is also incumbent upon you because it was a private conversation for you to call out Rudy
I already called him out.
to take it down.
Yes.
But it's already in public, diba? So it has gained reaction.
Alvin, it has gained reaction pero kayo naman ang nag-una, 'di ba? Yung pina-issue niyo si Attorney Harry doon sa Lechon. Alvin,
Ako na naman ang
andon na tayo sa part na may division na tayo, Alvin.
Okay, we're already there.
Nasimulan nyo na binigyan nyo ng
Kulay.
kanang reason
Reason.
na ibuli-buli niyo si Attorney Harry did not don't know about actually the
I
lechon,
did-
but
wait
it
lang.
was donated here by Vanessa. She doesn't want
wait
the
lang, wait lang kayo, you're digressing. Okay, wait lang.
Kajutsa. Ang lechon, it has to be here. Pero ako manggod, kabalo ka, nag-istorya na mo ni Giselle sa likod. You spoke with Giselle. But unsay nahitabo, she still spilled the beans on the stage. We don't like it. We don't want fight. So, and also Alvin, let's make it clear. You also posted me online before. You gaslighted people to hate me, and I have been a subject of online harassment. I forgive you with that because this is not my fight.
Show proof, nag-proof na kayo mong name. Do you have proof?
Si Den?
Oh,
Si katong ipasagpa ko ninyo sa kuan Dutch passport, but it's okay.
Uy, wala ko yung una. I'm not even a Dutch passport holder.
I have a video.
I want to
Yes,
see
yes,
that. Okay,
yeah. I will let you show that when you gaslighted a lady who is a Dutch citizen and she wants to. Kung Duterte supporter ka pa, Alvin, you shouldn't have put that in online na ipasagpa ko niya sa to slap me with the passport, but it's okay.
Okay.
That's done. I'm okay. I don't have grudge. I want to move forward.
Okay, good.
Ang gusto ko lang condition lang dito, wag kayong magpaparinig.
Okay.
Wag niyong atakihin si Harry Roque. Pangatlo, we don't need to like each other.
So it's okay for you to Attorney Harry Roque calling us NPA and everything, red tagging us.
I
You're
don't
okay
know.
with that?
I don't have any
Exactly.
idea about
Okay, can I
that.
talk now?
Sure.
Okay, di pa talk ka. With respect to the lechon, it's already settled.
Yeah,
A public apology na you're still going back to the issue. Okay, hayaan na natin yan. The main point is this. Merong event dito, pumunta ka, you are welcome, and then you are welcome warmly
Balik
enough.
na naman tayo,
Wait lang,
oh.
ilay ang premise ba? But look what happened now. It could have been avoided should that particular information not put out in public, and then wala na siya lahat-lahat ganito.
Well, you
Because
should
we
blame
all-
Rudy because that's a private conversation and it's actually protected by the privacy law. So that's not on me, Alvin, because if I would really want to wreak havoc here, I could have called you out myself online. I could have bullied you here, but I did not. That's a
you must-
private conversation.
But you understand that that is a reaction of the action that was done, right?
That's out of my
sige.
control.
Kaya nga, okay, let's settle it fairly and squarely. That this should already
Ang
be
ibilin maato
put to rest. Laid to rest na, okay, you wanted us to go, we will go, and then after that, I hope it's the end of it. And also, wait lang.
You have to keep that condition. Do not attack any of the Duterte supporters, especially me
Oh, you know
and
what?
all the people here,
I don't
Alvin.
understand.
That's
Okay,
my
wait lang.
condition.
No, you don't set the condition. We are living in a democratic society.
Sure.
You do not impose on other people what should be done. If you are free,
Hindi
loving,
kasi kung hindi
peace-loving citizen.
nyo kasi i-keep yung agreement natin, talaga mag-aaway tayo.
Why are you an authority or whatsoever to put
Ay,
some
hindi.
condition? Exactly, that's the
We
problem.
will also not
If you
let
go-
you bully other people kasi
Do not play the victim card.
we also have to defend ourselves.
Okay.
Sige.
Wait lang.
Move forward.
Let us agree
Move
to disagree.
forward.
Okay,
Sige,
let us agree
go.
to disagree. Sabi na ni Attorney Hinlo, let's move forward na okay tayo. If you don't like me, perhaps the feeling is mutual. I
It's
don't like
okay.
you as
I can
well.
respect
Let's
you.
support PRRD.
I can respect
okay?
you.
Let's just respect each other. And I hope that this is really the end of it, to be honest. Kasi this has gone way beyond our control. We are only here for PRRD. This is not about you or me. Okay? This is about PRRD. This is the important. We work so hard for this.
Everybody works hard, so I hope
Exactly.
now that we can shake hands and then it is.
No, I don't want to shake hands.
No, but
No, it's okay. I don't want like this.
Alvin,
We only have divided.
Oo.
We have two groups. You do your thing, do our thing.
Exactly. Correct. Do not impose. Okay.
I'm the responsible guy between the police and the security.
Okay.
Let it be normal, let us be happy, and one bit out.
Exactly.
But give each other and bye-bye, whatever you can say. Let it like this. I will never give up this. That is it.
Alvin, I always
Thank you,
I
Alvin.
wish them well. I don't have grudge.
I don't say that it is you. Now have to do, let be it, and don't fight again, because otherwise we have to give up the whole thing.
Exactly.
And then we not
Alvin, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you.
We are our people. But don't
Okay, so
start again.
now let's settle it. We are leaving.
Okay.
So whatever it is that happened here, it's going to blow up tomorrow. I don't know what's going to happen. We are going to face the consequences. But again, let me remind everybody, it's not about us. It's not about who's famous or whatnot. It's about PRRD. I hope we revisit the objectives that we started from the very, very beginning. happening. Yun lang po ang punto ko, okay? It's okay that we don't like each other, period.
That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah, it's okay. That's
But
normal.
still, you have to.
Oh, yes.
Hello, moment.
Alam mo naman yan, Jessica, that's why if you may event si Attorney Roque.
Sorry to interrupt. I think the Politsiveria
Yeah, but I only want to say one thing more. We respect each other and otherwise you can fuck off.
Good.
That's the story.
The Politsiveria ay basketball.
Yeah, okay, moment.
Okay na?
We talked about within ourselves that we think it's okay for us to disagree. Okay, that's fine. But we already settled. We're leaving the premises and then we're going to move forward without any whatsoever. Okay. So we don't want to involve any whatsoever right now. We just move forward as it is and call it a day and charge it to experience. Yeah. Okay. Can I have the document?
Danke, Mel. Fine na
Inaisay dito, mawawalan tayo ng Duterte Street. Pag nagtanong si PRD kung may tao pa dito, sabihin nila wala na. Oh my God! Decided na? Pwede yan, maayos yan. Walang hindi maayos. Fix niya yan.
Kasi para kay PRR.
Oo, konti na lang, home stretch na tayo eh. Lahat ng requirements na bigay na.
Stretch lang yan.
Home stretch na to. Home stretch na to. Let's just be calm.
Isa lang ang goal natin, di ba? Si tatay. Tapos na nagkaano-ano pa yung mga ano.
Kalma, walang bawal magalit kami ni tatay. Kalma.
Kalma. Tapos one side na doon sa kabila.
Ikaw po ni apil-apil po kag maharlika.
Totoo
Wala
man
naman.
yan.
This is another issue.
No, dili.
Totoo.
Same issue lang na siya. Mauna siya nag-ingay si Maharlika. Kaya din nag-ano din lahat nagkagulo-gulo. Yan man talaga ang issue. Wala siya dito. Pero ang ingay-ingay niya, tinitiran niya silang Alvin. Tapos yung mga supporters hindi matotoo yan. Kailangan din yan ano.
Ang away na to. Dahil doon sa mga rally, sa mga away-away nila, mga post nila, doon yung nag-umpisa.
Kasi kampi-kampi. Dapat
Isa lang kasi ang goal natin eh.
Hindi mo talaga, you cannot please everyone na mag-ano lang sa isa.
Point.
You cannot please people, na mag-ano, you have different opinion.
dapat i-ano na lang set aside. Ang focus is
So, bakit pinipersonal nila kung magmula siya sa live stream man niya yan. Post man niya yan. Nganong i-adapt niya?
Kasi kung nag-focus tayo kan tatay, isa lang tayo, nagtutulungan tayo, walang gulo, walang yung inggitan, silusan, siraan. Kasi isa lang ang goal natin.
Dapat walang nang atake. Kinsa man yan ang atake ganina. Dito man to ang tension sa nang atake. Nganong na may physical?
isa din nag-una sa ilang.
Kinsa nganong na may physical? Di ba?
Kisa may nagkuhan.
Nainanong pag-iumbag man niyo.
Kisa nagsumbag.
Ano na yung sakit gang? Kaano nang iikaan?
Kisa nagsumbag ni mo gang.
Itong lalaki.
Ay, kisa na lalaki.
So, personal yan eh. Nga nag-live man ni. Saya man siyang live.
Kisa banan ni. Kisang banan ni.
Namali ka siya, pero sa iya mong live. Dili man personally sa iya ha. Dili man siya ramining react. Maski ako, kung ako yung
Paki-report
siya. Iyaharap yung
si
live.
Paolo gitulak na ano ang kamot. Ito gina-report sa Mayor Baste. Yan,
Gisumbag pa ko sa tiyan?
Gisumbag sa tiyan si Paolo sa magpa-medical legal.
Video ato.
Ay, wala na ko kay diri ko kay giduulan po lalaki duman sila nag-atake. Yung lalaki
Tingnan
lumapit
bitaw ko
sa
sa imo,
akin,
videohan.
para makita sa
Wala
video
na
sa'yo,
ko
hindi na
kaya.
di ba sabi ko sa'yo magano ka ng recording ka
Lagi kaya nag-ana na ko si Alvin sa ako ganina na videohan kung kaya na gubot. Wala ko nakasulti sa imo ganina. Basta nang nagtawag ko sa imo na videohi.
I charged them? Did I charge them, kaibigan?
What other problem
Uy,
is?
naay live nga nagisumbag siya.
Wala ko ang isa gianan ako kay sabay sila nag-atake so ang isa gikuha na ko video para na proof ang Paolo ko kamalo.
Between the police.
Kasi nagsumbag. Sana.
Ang bana ni dili man na bana, anak man yata na niya o bana.
Ha? Asana?
Dili niya na bana o katong
Asana?
ang lalaki nga lagi.
Asa na lalaki?
Ayan na. Wala. Basta na ay mga witness ha, na ay witness na.
Yes, thank you.
Nagalit ko ko sa imo. Nagbusa kay
Dili, wadi na lagi kinahadlok na ko.
Thank you, sis.
Na ano na.
Si Alma, narato na dahil dapat eh, si Alma dito kung gitawagan para
Wala ako si
mag-video.
Alma.
Naman si Alma, nilakaw na.
Wala ga na raw. No si Alma.
Lagi. Ako nila nag-video kay ni Ana. Ana to si Alma sa ako ganina na
Ang phone ni Paolo. See? Nag-crack ang phone ni Paolo. Nabasag ang phone ni Paolo dahil tinulak nila si Paolo.
Basag.
So, ganyan sila. Oo.
sa iron na videohan ni mo ganina.
Bakla talaga. Yung baklang mahaba ang buhok. Siya yung parang I left it, but I can get it if you want.
Where is it?
What's our address, Paolo?
Do you have anything with you?
Yeah, I have here. Hold lang muna. Wait. Here. Oh yeah, sure. Thank you.